Hi, you are watching Lelkes DIY, and in this video, I am going to show you how I turned the graphics on my snowboard from this into this using an AI called Midjourney. But what is Midjourney and how I managed to do it? Well, let's find out. Midjourney's AI on Discord is a bot that creates pictures based on what you describe in words. You just type in a description and it tries to generate an image that matches what you wrote. It's like having an artist instantly draw whatever you imagine, making it easy to share visual ideas. So, in order to generate the new design for my snowboard, I needed a subject and some parameters, which are called prompts. In this case, I used the following prompt: an old man wearing a long beard, standing with stars in his eyes, and so on. After I got an image that I was satisfied with, I used the pan tool multiple times to get the size that I needed for this project. Then, I made a lot of variations of the correct size, and by a lot, I mean a lot. Then, I combined them in Photoshop. The final design looked like this, but I had a problem. On screen, it looked perfect, but when I enlarged it to the size of the snowboard, it became blurry and pixelated. So I used an AI-based image-to-vector graphic converter called Vectorizer to make the design sharp in every size. I will leave a link in the description. After the graphic was ready, I sent it to a company specialized in the making of snow, long, and wakeboard skins. The name of the company is Board Rockers. You will find their website in the description. A few weeks later, the wrap arrived, so I prepared everything and started to apply it on the snowboard. First, I cleaned the board and made the edges smooth, using isopropyl alcohol and an X-Acto knife. Then, I positioned the wrap in the correct place and taped it down. Afterward, I removed the backing paper from the skin and slowly applied the new graphic. I tried to leave as few air bubbles as possible, but I still got some. Next, I just cut off the excess and heated up the wrap to activate the adhesive more. The final step was to screw on the bindings, the guards, and stick on the grip studs. After I finished, it already looked good, but something was missing. So before I tested it on the slopes, I give it the final touches at the top of the mountain. And voila, my little project got completed. If you have any question about the project, the binding, the durability of the wrap, or anything else, then feel free to leave a comment. Most likely, I will answer it pretty soon. So thanks for watching, and may your family be lucky.